Hey my loves, so today we're going to be painting a countertop, a bathroom countertop. It's one of those tile countertops, so we're going to be painting each individual tile a different shade of white. I want something, let me insert a picture right here. I don't know what it's called, I can't remember, but each tile has a different shine to it and a different shade of white. So we'll see. We'll see what you think. It's all done, but if you want to see how I did everything, go ahead and stay with me here, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so this is what we're starting with. The tile is a very warm tone of beige. It looks less warm on camera, so yeah, it looks much worse in person. Also, my sink is doing some weird thing. Somebody told me it's due to the water, so I need to fix that, and then I need to fix the counter as well. So let's get to it, but first, let's clean up everything. Make sure everything's nice and fresh for this paint. Okay, so now that everything's nice and clean, let's tape up everything and cover the faucet, cover anything you don't want to get paint on. And for the primer, I'm going to be using this Extreme Bond primer from Sherwin-Williams. And for the brush, I just grabbed one from Ace Hardware, and I am using a foam roller. Make sure you use a new one because I started using an older one I had and it did not work, so yeah, just grab yourself a new one. I'm going to start by painting all the edges with the brush, and then I'm going to go back with the foam roller and then paint it with that so the finish is a little bit smoother. So here is our first coat of primer, and I am going to have to do a second coat because I can see a lot of lighter spots on here. But with this primer, you do have to wait at least an hour to 4 hours just to recoat it. Okay, so after letting that dry completely, it ended up being a very, very matte finish. It was extremely rough to the touch, and there was no way I could just keep it like that, which was my initial plan. So I ended up bringing in these colors. And guys, to be honest, I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do when painting tiles or not, but it's what I had at hand, and I really wanted that look of the Zellige tile. I might be saying that wrong, but this was the only way that I could think of for being able to make each individual tile a different shade of white. So I'll leave those up there so you can see exactly what colors I used in case you want to use them too. And at first I used the brush, and then I smoothed it out with the foam roller. And there was a few spots that I missed, so I just went in with the brush and then the roller just to fix those up. Okay, now that each tile has been painted individually with a different shade of white, we're going to go ahead and gloss it just to have some protection over it, just for all the cleaning products and prevent any chipping of the paint. I'm not sure if you can actually tell on camera that each one is a different shade of white, but it is. I ended up using 3 coats of the gloss. liked it. If you did like it, please subscribe, please hit the like button. I love you lots. I'll see you next time.